my country people, we are lovers of Sonia and Chinenye Nnebe, make una draw seat, come forward. Another part 2 of the movie where a job don't show. And I know say recently I posted this particular video. The title is Village Girl and the City Girl. So I will allow una make una watch, and before I continue, this movie is a banger. Like, you guys need to go to YouTube and watch this particular movie. Let's support our girl. It's not easy to produce a movie. Make her allow una make una watch.
Oh God, they already know that one, but they want more. They say that they like us, that we are their favorites. Just
favorite?
Yes.
They barely even know me.
They know you. They know you. Everybody in this village.
Can we just be friends, please?
Friends?
Yeah.
Friends in town, we call them.
Sorry?
As I notice, say, guess who they wear these short things? Now they like, just like I'm there. Now I go wear my own, wear hot mini for you. Then I can do my lipstick, rub powder. See my lipstick. I can't rub.
Can you stop this? Can you just stop this nonsense?
Stop waiting. What you want to make I stop? What did they do you safe? That girl fine pass me. I be because I own leg straight my but see me now. You don't see me. See. I even get this thing pass.
You're shouting. Okay.
You know they shout now. I beg you.
Don't touch me.
See, you don't get anything with this city girl, then they do and go feed you. Yes, safe because I strong person. I go feed do anything.
What can you do?
Everything.
You can do everything.
Yes, now.
Okay, can you do BJ?
Bridget.
You see?
I know Bridget.
You know, I'm not talking about. You don't even know what BJ is.
PJ.
Not BJ. BJ.
BJ.
Blowjob.
Blowjob.
Can you give blowjob? Can you give me blowjob?
I feel give you blowjob.
If you give me blowjob, you will not know anything. You were they call BJ Bridget. Okay,
you
fine.
You call them where?
Okay, no problem. Give me blowjob.
May I give you blowjob?
Give me blowjob now.
Make I give you the blowjob. I don't wear.
Why did you blow me now?
You say make I give you blowjob now, no be the blowjob.
Oh, what kind of? Why did you blow me?
You said blowjob, no be like that in the table.
Don't you know what blowjob is? I told you that you're a village girl, don't do anything. Blowjob is, you give me blowjob, you told me see, you say ba no.
You say ba.
You say ba, mommy see, why have a blowjob? You don't know what it is.
Make I use my head.
You use your head, yes. Mommy see. Oh, this girl can the girl way but self. I think mommy is no. I think it told me use your man. Use your man. Put it here. That's what I mean.
My mouth.
Blowjob now.
Make I use my mouth to do it.
Promise now. Give me blowjob. That's what I mean.
Obinna. Make I use my mouth. Why they take chop? Donyash.
Yes. It's called blowjob.
Cherekwa. They call you to make you control food.
Can you please not call me that? My name is Candy.
Candy?
Yes.
Candy sweet.
Candy.
Okay. I don't know how you go live. Maybe you. Then give you Candy Lichuku. Give this one Chuku Zitelum.
Why? Hell no! Hold it right there. Please don't call me that. My name is Zetel. Get it?
Zetel.
You heard him.
Say name now, waiting.
Zetel.
So you live when I live better name than give you. You say na SIM card name not good for you to answer. Zetel. Okay. Candy sweet and Zetel. They say we can control food.
Just call us Candy and Zetel.
Candy sweet and Zetel. They call you. More they go.
This looks interesting.
For a talker.
What the heck? Blackish. Damn.
Tell me one reason why you never rush go YouTube now go watch this particular movie. As you just watch that small clip, tell me say you don't like am. Oh yeah, the link to this particular video is on my bio. Go to my bio and click the link on my bio to take you straight up to the YouTube channel. Okay, let's support our girl. Or if you cannot click the link on my bio, just go to YouTube, search for Sonia Uche TV. You will see this movie right there. Please, let's support our girl. You know they easy. Now why are they call her goat? She's my screen goddess, and I know say a lot of people are fanning her. So let's support our girl. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Bye.